YouTube, this is me Zishan Hormuz and back with another hot crypto project. Today just want to talk about, you can see, UFO Metaversa. So I want to give you complete detail about this one project, and all the related link about this one project you will be getting in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure, if you are new to channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zishan Hormuz. So let's get started recording UFO Metaversa. So you can see officially UFO Meta token contact address is, you can see right here. I will be also placed in the video description box, and if you want to buy this one token, you simply click on that. After that you will be able to buy this one token, and if you want to pick up this one token, you can also pick up this one token from by PancakeSwap right here. Just if I click on that, then I am directly go to PancakeSwap Finance. So after that you will be easily buy this one token from PancakeSwap. After that, if you look to welcome to next generation browser web 3.0 UFO Metaversa P2E game, a research based game that takes place on a human colonized planet where UFO and alien threat has just arrived to invade ionic and historical building. Player will start out with a base and will add building, allocate scientists, equip and solder vehicle and manufacturers equipment. The research side of the game is extensive with about 100 projects to complete during launching of all phases of game. UFO Metaversa will take web gaming concept to another level and extend the game reachability. By being accessibility is one click to start playing, user will not require to download an application into their Android, iOS, PC or Mac. They will just have to open up their browser and type in the game's URL. So basically, if you look to this one game is just you play this one game. After that you will be earn money from this project. And if you look to the marketplace, just want to go to main Twitter account of this one project. You can see right here, if you look to UFO Metaversa, so next generation browser Metaversa blockchain based gaming project Web3. I'm already told about that, but if you look to this game, you can see announcement of this one game is just 11 hours ago. They are listed on PancakeSwap. They not listed before 11 hours on PancakeSwap. They are new in listing. But if you look to this project is completely new. And after that, I just want to give you some detail about UFO Meta roadmap, project development and preparation strategy. So this is also too much important about that, because if after to study the roadmap, we directly able to understand that what can they done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future of this one project. So right here, I just want to look for Q1 in 2022, but they are also done. But I'm just looking for 2022. You can see they are token listing on CEX, and they also done right here PancakeSwap listing. But I'm going to 2022 some importance. You can see build game V1 and launching mobile version. So these two events is too much important for this one project. And after that, I'm just looking for phase 3 on 2023 and 2025. Build a for Metaversa blockchain, improving technical development, addition of new characters, 7 equipments, launching game version 2, expansion of universe and exploration of a new planet, implementation of messaging system between players, addition laser weapons in game. So basically, they just want to update the game. And if you look to PUBG, you can see we can directly talk with our players, with our teams. They also just want to go and planning toward that to make a game like this. And if you look to next generation Web 3.0 UFO Metaversa P2E game project, so UFO Metaversa Web 3 blockchain game. So there's some you can see right here, there's some background of this one game. Just want to click on that, and you can see there's a different type of season game right now, you can see you can also select the classic game and win. You can also select on season wise, like in winter and so on. And after that, I just want to give some important detail about non-fungible token NFTs, are virtual token minted on the blockchain for digital security and authenticity. Digital ownership is of real world, unique, revisable, and non-interchangeable. Assist in game we are abused about our community building others not only in other collaborative approach to Atom Mouse but also in rewarding them by offering exclusive cross-proportional NFT that are part of our game while giving free access to an airdrop of unique digital assist. The random winner who will already be engaged may be receive NFT for the first time through our airdrop in our second phase. So how can you participate in the second phase of airdrops? You simply join my Telegram channel, and as well as you can also follow the main Twitter account of UFO Metaversa, so you will be not miss this one chance to participate in the second phase of NFTs to get free NFTs. After that, I just want to give some important tip. Are you ready to start your journey? So you simply add your email here. After that, you will be able to get latest news from their sides, and there is a different type of social accounts of different projects. You can also join them because you will be not miss any update from their sides. And this is a documentation. You can also study about the tokenomics. Tokenomics means that how can they distribute the main supply of this one token, and white paper means that how can they how are this one project are come to blockchain vault. And after that, I already told about the roadmap. And now if you look to buy, you can also buy from UFO Meta on CEX and DCX. And after that, you can join the Telegram channel of this one project and Twitter account. And some links is too much important: BSC Scan and CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And this is a team. You can also study about the team how can they work on this one project. And after that, at the end of, I'm just talking about to contact us. So this is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zishan Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.